What's up everyone, how's it going? This is your man TJ Singh right here. So guys, in this video I will be doing the unboxing of the Digitek portable selfie light for smartphones. So this is the packaging that I got from Amazon. So these are some post-it notes that I got as well. I needed them. So this is our light right here. So I'll keep everything aside. So this is our Digitek's clip mount LED light for smartphones. So it can be used for making TikTok videos, Instagram videos, or taking just selfies in low light situations. You can do that. So this is an Indian company and this is the back as well. If you want to read this, you can pause it and read it. Without wasting much time, let me just go ahead and take out the stuff and show you guys. So what I'm going to do is just cut this with the scissor, if I'm able to do this, because I'm not able to find a way to open this up. So this will be the best way to do this. Just get out. So this is our light, and in the name of accessory you just get this micro USB cable to charge this LED light. So guys, this is our Digitek's portable light which has a clip mounting system. So right out of the box it wasn't charged, so it had to be charged, and right now as you can see it is plugged in, and the USB cable provided with it is kind of average quality you can expect, and it's completely plastic build. It's very lightweight. So first of all, let me tell you the features about this light. So basically guys, it has the light output of 20 lumens, and the color temperature that it has is 5500 Kelvin, and the beam angle of this light is 120 degrees, and the battery that it has is 90 milliamp hour, and continuously you can use this light for 60 minutes without any kind of overheating whatsoever. So basically, to turn it on, what you need to do, and also guys, when this one is charging you will be seeing this blue light blinking that it is charging, and right above you have the power on button. So basically, to turn this light on, what you need to do is just press and hold that button and the light will turn on. So guys, there are 3 light modes: low, medium and high. So this is on maximum brightness, and this is on low brightness, this is on medium brightness, and this is high. So let me just quickly turn off the lights in the room and show you guys the actual light output of this light. So guys, it is completely blacked out as you can see, and now I will turn on this light. So guys, this is turned on. So this is on the low, and now I will do medium, and this is the highest you can see. So again, let me just quickly show you guys. So this is my scissor, this is on low, this is on medium, and this is on the highest brightness setting. So guys, just to turn this light off you have to press and hold the power button on the back to turn it off. So it is pretty much basic thing, and let me just quickly show you guys one more time. So this is how you can mount it, and you can easily turn it on. Okay, low, medium and high, and this is turn off. So guys, thanks a lot for checking this quick unboxing and hands-on review for this Digitek portable LED light for selfies and short videos. I hope you really enjoyed this quick unboxing video, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.